Hi, this is Mohua Chatterjee. I'm a freelance corporate trainer and I also conduct personality development workshops for children.
हेलो, मैं हूं संजय अग्रवाल, एनएलपी लाइफस्टाइल ट्रेनर। मैंने शांतनु सर से एनएलपी लाइफस्टाइल मास्टर प्रैक्टिशनर लेवल के बाद ट्रेनर लेवल किया हुआ है और अभी मास्टर ट्रेनर लेवल कर रहा हूं।
Myself Poonam Soni. I'm coming from Big Potato Travels Private Limited.
Hi, I'm Survi from Way2Go Consultancy, working as a senior career consultant.
Hi, this is Vinny. I'm working currently with Way2Go Consultants.
मेरा नाम हृदय चौहान है। मैं पेशे से एक कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर हूँ, सॉफ्ट स्किल कोच हूँ, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कोच हूँ, ऑफिस कोच हूँ।
Hi, this is Anjali. I'm currently working with Way2Go Consultancy as a senior career consultant. Hi, I'm Swati Kohli from Way2Go Consultancy, working as a senior career consultant.
This is a training on NLP plus lifestyle, a concept which he has founded, he has initiated, the only one of its kind in India.
इस वर्कशॉप में जो मैंने पाया, खास तौर से कम्युनिकेशन, हाउ यू कम्युनिकेट विद अदर्स एंड हाउ यू कम्युनिकेट विद सेल्फ, और स्पेसिफिसिटी ऑफ इंटेंट with congruence between your values, identity and purpose, establishing rapport with others and connecting with people and understanding how people behave, how they think, how we think, how we behave. Not many things. In short, specificity in whatever I do with conscious awareness.
Since I'm a relationship manager for my company, I have to deal with different kind of clients.
Shantanu sir actually taught me like how to live life. He taught me how to decide in my life. Basically, that means how to take decisions. Is it essential or not essential? I was so confused in my decision making. And he made me understand how to view life differently.
I was not clear about who I was.
इस वर्कशॉप में आने के पहले जिस तरीके की आशाएं थी, जिस तरीके की विश्वास था, वो सभी चीजें मुझे यहाँ पर मिली हैं।
My objective to come in NLP plus lifestyle was to change my mindset.
It is a way in which you see yourself in a new light and you see the rest of the world in a new light.
In this session, whatever I have learned or grabbed, and I'm sure I'm going to use it in my future from the very next day, that is when I'm joining my company tomorrow after this workshop.
Yes, I can view life very differently. Thank you so much, Shantanu sir.
I found myself in me. So it's a complete change for me.
From Shantanu sir, I've learned a lot of things. How to be decisive, how to take decisions. So in my life, I will apply things where I can decide by my own self.
जिस तरीके का सक्सेस, जिस तरीके के डिजायर्ड आउटकम और जिस तरीके की फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन, रिलेशनशिप और लाइफ में सक्सेस में आशा करता था, जिस तरीके की ड्रीम्स में देखता था, उन सभी चीज़ों को पाने के लिए अब मेरे पास में बहुत प्रकार की टेक्निक है जिसको अप्लाई करते हुए मैं उस जगह तक के पहुंच सकता हूँ।
Thank you so much, Shantanu sir. Whatever I have learned from you, it is really going to help me and my team. I'm looking forward for other sessions which will be held in December.
I would suggest to at least join this training for a once so that you can also change your lifestyle.
ये एक रियली मार्वलस एक्सपीरियंस है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मैं खुद एक ट्रेनर हूँ और आज ये एक नई टेक्निक मुझे मालूम पड़ी है कि इस तरीके से भी ट्रेनिंग ली जाती है जिसका इफेक्ट किसी भी व्यक्ति के ऊपर में 100% हो सकता है या उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है।
It's been an extremely enriching training program where we not only just learned a lot of things, we also know that we are going to go back with a whole lot of tools which we will now be able to practice on others and make a change in their lives also and maybe add some value in their lives also.
उन्होंने इतने अच्छे तरीके से हम लोगों को ट्रेन किया है कि यहाँ से जाने के बाद में हम एक नई उड़ान अपने जीवन में प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। Thank you very much.
Anybody who is going to attend this training will actually come out a richer person, a better person with a bag full of tools to make a difference in others' lives also.